I was having problems with the Samsung. I don't know what model it is, but you can probably tell by the numbers right here. The display wasn't working, and I watched a video on how to fix it. So you go to the back and take off the back panel, which I did. I followed the instructions. You go right here and you pull this. Let me unplug it first. So you're gonna pull this off, this little plastic tab, pull it back, pull this out. See right here? So you're gonna clean it. The instructions are to clean it with an eraser. So that's what I did. I cleaned it with an eraser, all nice and clean. Put it back in and push the tabs back in. Plug it in. And it worked. So now the clock is flashing. It's 8:44. Wait, clock. 8:44.